Okay, real talk. What's the first thing you do when you wake up feeling groggy, unmotivated, or just blah? If you're like most people, you probably reach for a giant cup of coffee. But what if I told you there's a faster, free, and far more powerful way to kickstart your system? A method that athletes, CEOs, and biohackers swear by. It's hiding in a place you visit every single day, your shower. Today, we're diving into the shocking science and incredible benefits of the cold shower. I know what you're thinking. Why would I voluntarily subject myself to that? I get it. It sounds miserable, but once you understand what's happening inside your body, it starts to look less like torture and more like a superpower. Let's break down the top 4 benefits. Number 1. Instant energy and mood boost. When that cold water hits you, it's a massive shock to your system. Your body goes, "Whoa, what's happening?" And it triggers a huge increase in your oxygen intake and a release of neurotransmitters like noradrenaline and dopamine. Noradrenaline sharpens your focus and alertness, while dopamine is the feel-good chemical. So, that panicked gasp turns into a wave of clarity and even euphoria. It's like a natural, zero-calorie energy drink for your entire nervous system. Number 2. Reduce stress and build mental resilience. By willingly stepping into an uncomfortable situation, you are training your nervous system to handle stress better. You're telling your brain, "Hey, I can handle this. I've got this." Studies have shown that regular cold exposure can lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol over time. You're not just getting clean, you're redoing a mini therapy session that makes you tougher and more resilient to the daily stresses of life. Number 3. Enhance muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. After a workout, your muscles are inflamed. Cold water causes your blood vessels to constrict, pushing blood away from the extremities. When you warm up again, fresh, oxygen-rich blood floods back in, helping to flush out metabolic waste and reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. So, if you're even a little bit active, a cold shower can seriously speed up your recovery. And number 4. Glowing skin and healthier hair. Hot water is great for dissolving grease, but it also strips your skin and hair of their natural protective oils, leaving them dry and brittle. Cold water helps to seal your cuticles and pores, locking in moisture. This leads to more hydrated skin, shinier hair, and can even reduce dandruff and acne. Okay, you're sold on the why, but the how is the tricky part. You don't need to jump into an ice bath on day 1. Here's a simple, gradual method anyone can follow. Step 1. The normal shower. Start your shower like you normally would, with warm or hot water. Wash up, shampoo, do your thing. Step 2. The cool down. When you're ready to rinse, it's time to switch. Start by turning the dial to cool, not freezing, just cool. Let your body adjust for 30 seconds. Step 3. Go for it. Now, take a deep breath and turn the dial to cold. It doesn't have to be the coldest setting. Just cold enough that it's a shock, but you can manage it. Step 4. Focus and breathe. Your instinct will be to gasp and panic. Fight it. Instead, focus on taking slow, deep, controlled breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. This tells your nervous system that you are safe and in control. Step 5. Start small. For your first time, aim for just 15 to 30 seconds. Over the next week or 2, gradually work your way up to 2 to 3 minutes. Consistency is more important than duration. So, the cold shower, it's not just about being tough. It's a powerful, accessible tool to upgrade your energy, your mindset, and your physical health. It's a daily challenge that pays you back tenfold. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, try it for just 1 morning this week. I want to hear from you. What was your experience like? Did you feel the rush? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips to upgrade your life. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.